Another day, another vlog. Ayan, hello guys! So, today, share ko sa inyo guys isang topic, why should foreigner marry a Filipina? So, please watch
What?
this video.
What?
Another day, another vlog. Ayan, for today's video, guys. So, tatalakay natin. Our topic for today is about why foreigners should marry a
So
Filipina or
nice.
Pinay. So, sa mga bago pa sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Ayan, shout out to all foreigners listening today. Listening today. Listening in this video. This video is for you. Why should you marry a Filipina? Why? First, because Filipina is beautiful. Joke. Okay. It's not only a beautiful or maganda or ano ba?
Wow.
Okay. Serious na tayo guys. Why foreigners should marry a Filipina? First, Filipina is a very resilient. Resilience and it comes not only for food, not only for situation, not only for finances, but in any all I think all circumstances or all aspect. Filipina is a very resilient. Itataas natin yung ating bandera today. Huwag natin ibaba guys. Kasi marami ng mga negative na nag-arise dahil nakapag-asawa sila ng foreign nakapag-asawa sila ng Pinay, kinuha yung kanilang mga pera, scam, and known as Filipina is a gold digger. So, in this video, Filipina is not a gold digger. Okay, so, erase X yan dito sa video natin. Wala
Yes!
ditong Filipina na gold digger. So, why should foreigner marry a Filipina? Because Filipina is a very resilient. Dahil marami tayong mga experiences, mga mahihirap na mga situation, but still we can handle it properly. Ayan, so, yung sinishare ko dito guys ay based in my experience dahil I have also a foreigner partner, European partner. So sometimes we share a lot of things about this topic and I asked also why should or why he choose me, Filipina, to their wives or bakit niya ako pinili na magiging asawa dahil marami namang pwede dyan, di ba? But he told me that Filipina is a very resilience, you know. These vibes na nakikita ng foreigner, they love this or they like it. Dahil sa ibang bansa, as we know, if wala silang pera, papakamatay na sila. But here in the Philippines, especially in tayo, culture natin ng mga Filipino or Pinay, sipik tayo sa mga babae na napaka-ano natin, napaka-resilience sa lahat ng bagay. Sa food, kaya natin uh, tawag dito, mag-adjust in their culture, kaya natin mag-adjust and sa kanilang food. Yan. So, very resilient tayo ng mga Filipino na kayang-kaya natin without rice. Diba? So, I think Filipino or foreigner should marry a Filipina because we can eat or we can forget the rice. Instead, we can eat potatoes.
Oh, wow!
Ayan. Kidding aside, but it's really true. Yeah. When I met my husband now, I love to eat also rice. And on the long run, I learned how to forget this rice anymore. So very resilient. So why? So this one one thing na dapat sila mag-aasawa ng Pinay. So second, based on my experience, and of course I have my foreign husband. Second, given na yan na beautiful tayo. Walang kukontra dyan at walang mag-comment na pangit ang Pilipina. Oh. Our beauty is very different or very exotic. Sabay ganun, no? And I really focus the attitude or the culture, not only in my physical na nakatangian ng Pilipina, hindi ako magta-touch diyan. So, yung ano, yung inside attitude or culture, why they choose us or why they need to choose Filipina to be a wife. So, second is Filipina, foreigner, carefully, listen carefully. Um, you should choose a Filipina because Filipina is a very caring and loving. Yan. Tayong mga Filipina is a very caring person. Ah, may nabasa ako at mga nakita rin ng mga video na yung mga pasyente nila, they love Filipino nurses or caregiver or caregiving kind of work. They love the Filipina na nagkike-care sa kanila kasi iba yung touch and love ng mga Pinay, lalo na sa ibang bansa. So why? So this is it. Because Filipina is a very caring, very loving, and very maalaga ng mga babae o mga magiging asawa ninyo. So, choose a Filipina, guys. Okay. So, third, why they should choose a Filipina to be their wives, foreigners. Why? Because Filipina is a very helpful, matulungin sa bahay, sa pagiging asawa. Very helpful partner. Ayan. So, sabi nga sa Bible, hanapan tayo ng Panginoon ng not a katulong or not a helper, but a health mate, or how to say, katuwang. Katuwang, lunggo ba yun? Or, kasi pag sinabi sa Katagalog, parang iba yung meaning pag sa Tagalog, katulong, or katuwang, or helpmate. I love to use the word helpmate. Ayan. So, Filipina is a very helpful. Not only financial, but emotional and spiritual. And a very helpful. It comes sa bahay, sa finances, sa lahat ng bagay, guys. Filipino is a very multitasking. Kayang maggawa ng content creation or nag-earn ng money online, nagluluto, naglilinis, in the same time nag-aalaga ng mga anak. Why we don't need, and why na mag-ask pa kayo, bakit Pilipina asawahin ko, ganito naman sila. No, Filipina is a very helpful partners. All over the world, sabay ganun. Mag-rate
Yes!
ako 1 to 10, 10, sabay ganun. So lang itataas natin guys yung ating flag, yung ating pagka-Filipina. Kasi ang dami-dami ng nagsasabi, ang Filipina ay ganito, ganito, ganyan. But in this video, sasabihin ko talaga na they should marry a Filipina because Filipina is a very helpful partner. Yan. So, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung katangian ng Pilipina na dapat tayo ay pipiliin ng mga foreigners? foreigner should marry a Filipina because Filipina is a very religious person, or we known as a religious country or Christian country, and that should foreigner should marry us or choose us as a wives or as a partner in life because we are so religious person, especially if you have a Filipino partner. This is really the foundation of the partnership because Filipina is very spiritual. And comes to the spiritual aspect, we're so religious. We go to the church, we have Bible study, we have a fellowship, we have a lot of things to do in the church. So I think we should marry a Filipina because Filipina is a God-fearing person or God-fearing women here in the Philippines. Yan. So, naalala ko yung, I remember when my husband, uh, we just knowing each other, and he said, uh, he don't like to choose a person that is not a Christian. So when he read my bio in my profile in this app, they say yes because I'm a Christian. I put there I'm a Christian and I want to have a person also as Christian then. And yeah, the foreigner, I think they choose a Filipina. They should choose a Filipina because Filipina, meron tayong takot sa Diyos, or we are God-fearing women. And so, why they don't choose us? They need to choose us because we are God-fearing women. So this is a foundation. If you love God, then you don't hurt your partner, right? So I think this is the foundation or a characteristic and attitude that foreigner should marry a Filipina. Okay, what else? So in my next video, guys, I want to tackle also why Filipina should choose a foreigner husband in my next video. So marami tayong mga characteristic, marami tayong attitude na foreigner should marry us, or not only foreigner but Pinoy also. But sometimes, yeah, but our topic now is like that only because this is a very big topic. So we stop here that foreigners should marry a Filipina because of our resilience. We are God-fearing. We are so very helpful and very caring person. So they should choose us. Pinamarket ba?
So
Yun.
nice.
So, yun lang. And in my next video, why should Filipina marry a foreigner? Okay, maraming babas
What?
sa atin. Pero okay lang 'yan para malaman natin why Filipino now o Filipina now choose foreigner. Why? So malalaman mo rin kung ikaw ay Pinoy na nakikinig ngayon. So that's it for today's video, and kung meron kayong suggestion, question, and clarification, please comment below. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating susunod na mga videos. So bye! Thank you so much! Bye!